Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I have a treat for you today. I have my Amazon packaging. By the way, Amazon is not sponsoring this video. So, I've been seeing that a lot of people are talking about JLX this, JLX that, and to be honest, I looked into it, it's super expensive. And I like gelish, and I even tried gelix. It's super expensive. And then when I put gelix, when I put in the keywords gelix on on Amazon, a few of a few items come up. For example, Modelones come up. Um, you know. So now I have two I have two orders, and oh, also I have so many of these pushers, but I have this one here, okay, and this is what it looks like, and this is what the paddle look, the pusher looks this way, and the cleaner looks that way, okay, and then I have this one here, okay, that's my second one, and then I have this one here. See, I have that one here. But I see the difference between these two. Look how tapered these two are. You see? Look at this here. You see? And this one I got, there's no need for it, but I got it because it looks like it would do a better job at cleaning the cuticle because I know I have nippers, but I don't use them. And the paddle looks bigger. Okay, and I like this. I'm gonna try it next time I prep my nails. Okay, now so, I am a jealous girl. Yes, it's expensive. I'm waiting to get some of their stuff, but for Mother's Day, I had some stuff for my husband and my kids from Jealous, and because they were on my list. So now, um, I've purchased this here, um, this here. Okay, so I've purchased it. Not I purchased it really. The reason I purchased this one here is because I don't have. Okay, this was like 71% off, and I don't have a nail lamp. Okay, I end up spending about $18, 18.99. I didn't. I bought it mainly for this, for the gel lamp, because this is what I've been using, and I this was like $20 on Dashing Diva, and I had some discount. I ended up spending what $14. So I love this, but I really wanted a larger lamp. Eventually, I will get the gelish lamp, but for now, this is more affordable. Okay, so now, and this is what came up um with this order. Because I bought some nail polish. To be honest, these nail polish are too bright for me. Oh, top coat and base coat for the polish. Okay, these nail polish, I think they're very bright. I could always use them when I'm doing my toes. I will use the gelish, because see, this is definitely too bright for me. Probably if I'm doing a nail accent, I would probably use it. Or this is, let me see. Okay, this uh, this look a little natural. probably this one. And ooh, purple. I love purple. Oh yeah, I like this one. I'll probably use this one the next time I do my nails. Yellow, that's definitely ooh, nice. Okay, maybe when I am doing my nails. Oh, check this out, guys. Huh. What? So okay, so far they are a little neon, but uh, I think I could use them. I definitely. Ooh, nice blue, guys. Look at that. So I will definitely use them for my toes or when I'm doing a nail accent. So we have base coat here, top top coat. Oh, we have a matte. We have a matte top coat and shiny top coat and oops, and the base coat. So, really, it was a good price. I bought it. I bought this set because I wanted to. I really wanted the lamp. So, and we have. Oh, they have catalog. Okay, for additional stuff. You know, Subconsciously, I find myself flocking to Modelones, but I thought I was a jealous girl. I'm still learning how to do my nails, how to do gel tips and stuff like that. But really, when I'm really good, or when I feel like I have enough practice, I will definitely try the Gelix method. Okay, but now it's very expensive. So and you have all these things, you know. It's a little booklet which on my own time I will peruse. Okay, so I'll put that away. So now this is this bag of goodies. Let's see what's in this bag of goodies. So, oh, we have this. Oh, look, this is so fancy for cleaning. Okay, we have, oh my goodness, and another cuticle pusher. Oh, and scraper. Oh, wow. Okay, I think I have enough cuticle pusher and scraper for the rest of my life. And I have in this, in the nail polish set, the, it came with a 100 grit over 180. All right. And oh, another 100 and 180 grit of nail file. Ooh, and I got some cuticle oil. All right, okay, you can't ever have too many cuticle oil. Okay, I'm always moisturizing my cuticle. Oh, for your toes, a toe separator and a cuticles remover. Well, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't like these too much because I feel like, well, for me, because if you're not careful, you'll take off your eponychium, and that's the light skin that covers your cuticles, and then you could get infection. For that, I will always use my handy dandy cuticle pusher and scraper. You know, I do have nippers, but only when I absolutely need to use them. I use them, and of course They send me a nail clipper. Okay, now this is my package for the nail polish, which I purchased because I am going to try Gelix, the dupe, my fake Gelix, using the using Model Ones, you know. So Model Ones is not sponsoring this, but the price is good. I do have to say, and it's my birthday very soon, and I will be going out with my hubby and my mommy. So I will do my nails very soon. probably when I'm doing my nails, I'm going to use a tip. I will probably, I would probably use do my using nail tips. So now we are going to I'm going to unveil the quote unquote gel X the quote unquote gel X um, packet. Okay, we have a little booklet with the instructions. Put your nails, file your nails, and so on. Okay, I'm gonna keep this. Ooh, look at the first layer. Look at the first layer right there. Okay, so the first layer. Oops. Oh my God, look at this lamp. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this lamp. Oh my gosh. It is so cute. And this is the lamp it comes with. And this is the USB cord. You have to plug it to a computer, or you may have to get a wall mount for it if you want to plug it to the wall. Otherwise, it's not like you charge it and you use it. It has to be plugged continuously. And this is where you turn it on. This is cute. Oh, cutie, cutie, cutie. Okay, now, and the next layer. Oh, I do have to admit, remember the last box I showed you? Okay, now this one comes nail prep dehydrator. 4-in-1 nail glue for nail tips. There is no base, no top coat. All right. I wonder if I should use. Anywho, it comes with that. It's a 4-in-1. So I guess I use this. Once I use this, I use it for my natural nails and for my tips. Okay. So, and we have your handy dandy nail clipper. Okay. Not bad. This looks a little cheap. Wow. Okay. And oh, nail file. Oh my goodness, I have so many nail files. So now, see these are the tips. 500 acrylic tip nail tip set. So, one thing though, I wish they had sent them in a box, because we have size. What size is this? I think this is size 9. So that has to be size 9 because the sizes are getting smaller. So this is 8. Let's see. This is a size 3. Let's see which finger this would fit. Okay. They look nice. It seems like they would fit this. Or this would definitely be too long. I may have to clip it when I do my nails. Okay. So, and we have size 10. This is a size 10. Oh, this is for small fingers. Okay. All right. So now you see everything I have. Today was just the unveiling. I am not going to do my nails today. I will do it tomorrow, because afterwards I'm going out. I'm going out Saturday. So where did this come from? What size? Oh my. Which size? This is 2. Probably a size. I don't know which size this came out of. Oh, 10 is small. What size? What size? I'm not sure now. You know, since I'm not sure, I'm going to let them loose in this bag. And once I'm done with the unveiling, I will find the proper place to put it. So anyway, guys, I am not a professional nail tech. Just trying to make my nails beautiful because I do have problem nails. Hence the name of my channel, Nail Rescue. So when I do my nails, I will be doing my nails very soon. I will um I will film it. I will you'll do my nails with me together. Okay, so like please and subscribe. Okay, so if the more likes I get, the more my channel permeates throughout YouTube. Hopefully I'll get some endorsement. You know, I would like to do reviews. So bye for now. This is Nail Rescue. See you later. Bye.